They driving. That driving is quiet now.
I didn't.
But Mara, they said it's out, miss.
Yeah, but you have to do it online.
Okay.
It's a quiz.
Oh, it's a quiz. But if it's based on chapter 1, it's easy. So, guys, geometry, it's like this. I think there should be videos for this thing, for this chapter on the YouTube. This is geometry. So, the first rule, they say A and B, they're equal. So, that's your equal opposite angles. So, I think you remember this from the maths from metric. Opposite angles are equal. Then your C will be equal to your D. That's it. If let's say your A was equal to 30 degrees, then your B will also be 30 degrees. That's your first law. There's no need for you to remember this. Obviously, if two straight lines intersect, then the opposite side, the opposite angles are equal. You just need to know that. As long as two straight lines intersect each other, the angles, opposite angles are equal. And then the second one is supplementary angle. So supplementary angle, it's your straight line. So if you've got a straight line like this, and then you've got an angle. I saw this other exercise from the examples that we did on the previous session. There was 60 degrees here. Then if it's a straight line, I said a straight line is equals to 180. The angle for straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So in order for you to get the remaining angle, you have to subtract that angle from 180. So if they give you 60 like this, then they say find A, this angle. So you need to say 180. Remember the straight line is equals to 180. So you're gonna say 180 is equals to 60 plus A. Then you make A the subject of the formula. You're gonna say 180 minus 60. Then your A will be equals to 120. That's how you do it. That's your supplementary angles there. There's no need for you to remember this. As long as you see a straight line that has got an angle, angle there, you subtract from 180. That's it. Then the next one, it's a complementary. Yeah, it's a complementary angle. Complementary, it's your 90 degrees, your right angle triangle. So if you've got, you know that right angle triangle, if it's like this angle right here, it's 90. So if you've got an angle that cuts through that 90 degrees, you're gonna do the same thing that you did with your 180. If we say this whole thing it's 90, and then there's a line that cuts through that 90. You have to subtract that line from 90. So you're gonna say 90 degrees is equals to, let's say this angle is A, this angle is B. Then you are given A. Let's say you're given A as 60. Then you're gonna say 60 plus A. Then you're gonna make A the subject of the formula and say 90 degrees minus 60. Then your A will be equals to 30 degrees. Your yes, no, your B, man, not your A. Make B the subject of the formula because A is known. So it's your B here. It's not A. It's your B. This one. This is the one that is unknown. That's how you do it. Is there any question, guys? Any question? Any question? Someone is asking where is the link. Is there any question? Okay, sharp. Okay. Let's move to the next one. So the next one, these ones are complicated. Yes. Yebo.
It's not related to the course, but how do I contact you privately?
You can contact me on Telegram or I'll just leave my number.
Okay.
Let me Trifina, please. Trifina, I know. Sorry, ne. Please text my number there. Do you mind?
Okay, I'm gonna put it on the chat box.
On the chat box. Also, even the group link or something. If you don't mind, please. Hey, because I can't do that now. I have to log into my
Okay,
WhatsApp. Please do that, please.
no problem.
Sure.
Thank you.
Sharp. She will text it there. And then
Thank you.
there's if you've got okay. This one, you don't need to remember these rules. Please don't remember them. There's no need for you to remember them. As long as you can know how to apply them. That's it. If you've got two parallel lines, straight lines that are going like this, then there's a straight line that intersect between that. That's the rule. So they say you have got two lines that are parallel, two straight lines. So you need to know that this is an alternating angle. You see, I don't know if I can. It's not possible for me to write on the PDF, right? Is it possible for me to write here? Because I wanted to show you from here, but I don't think it's possible. No, then it's fine. I'll just draw this thing. So they say if you've got something like this, what did I do now? You need to know that this angle. Let me move this line, write it in the middle. There's a line that intersect there. You see these two lines. These two lines are equal. They are parallel. So you need to know that this angle that is here, the angle that is here. Oh, there's another line. This angle right here is equals to this angle. Angle, let me say D. So you're gonna say A is equals to D. And also, I'm gonna write in blue, guys. Also, C is equals to E or B. You can write E or B. So C is equals to E. So what you can do in order for you to remember this, guys, you see that it's a straight line, this thing. The two lines. Remember that rule that I did earlier on the complementary one, the supplementary one, sorry, not complementary. The supplementary one where the angles of a straight line add up to 180. This is what you're gonna apply here. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna draw that again. Let's say you're given C, then they ask you to find A. Let's say C is equals to 30 degrees. Remember I said C is equals to E, then D is equals to A. So let's say you're given 30. So you're gonna say in order for you to find A, this A, you need to know that it's a straight line. This thing, it's a straight line. So a straight line add up to 180. So you're gonna say 180 is equals to C plus A, where C is equals to 30. So you're gonna say not C, A is equals to, you're looking for A, 180 minus C, which is 30. Then you can find your answer there. We can find your answer, which is 150. There's an example that is similar to this one. Let's do one application. It will make sense to you guys. We're gonna do this one. I know similar angles, similar triangles. We're gonna do something that's like that. The circle, we're not gonna do it. You see this figure P19 and also figure 10. That's the application. And also we're gonna do this one, P11. Okay, let's finish with these rules. We're gonna do that P11 there. We're still here. So So since you said A is equals to D, then it means D also it's 150. It means D also it's 150. And then, guys, look at this. There's another rule. I'm going to ask someone, what's this angle? Let me say this angle is F. Let me write F with the black pen. F. Please give me that angle F. What's that angle F there? Yes, it's 30 degrees because it's the opposite. Yes, because it's opposite angle. Okay. Any question? Ah, Bargman, Reneilwe.
Yes.
They bent you. What did you do now?
Where?
On the group. You don't post those things on the Telegram group. They'll ban you.
I don't post what? The phone number.
Why did you? Hey, I said on the message section they'll ban you.
Yeah, it's fine. I already have you on WhatsApp. I don't need it. It's okay.
Oh, okay, no. Don't do that, guys. Don't post any number or anything. That thing is sensitive. They programmed that thing. If you post anything, it's a problem. They'll ban you. The links, they don't have a problem, but then the number, it's a problem. You post it here on the message section there where you comment. Okay, guys, any question? Any question? Okay, I think no one has a question. Let's do that application there. Let's do that application. Or should I finish the rules first? Let's finish the rules because there's only two left. Then we can do the applications. Let's finish the rules. This one is easy, guys. You know a triangle. You know this one. You know this one. You know if it's a triangle, a non-right angle triangle, not any triangle, a non-right angle triangle. A non-right angle triangle. Guys, my drawing. Hey, but you guys see what I'm trying to do here. It's a non-right angle triangle. Let me try to draw this thing nicely, man. I did drawing. Why? Why is it doing me this? Yes, there is your non-right angle triangle. Your non-right angle triangle, it means that there's no 90 degrees there. There's a right angle triangle. There's the non-right angle triangle. There's no 90 degrees. The moment you see 90 degrees, it's a right angle triangle. So let's say I've got A and then B and C. So the sum or the total of the angles are equals to 180 degrees. They add up to 180. So for example, let's say you are given A as 30, then you're given B as 16 degrees. In order for you to get, they say find C. In order for you to get C, you're going to say 180 is equals to, remember they said the sum. 180 is equals to A plus B plus C. That's what you must do. So you're going to make C the subject of the formula. You're going to make C the subject of the formula, and then you're going to do this. You're going to say C is equals to 180 minus 30. Okay, you can do this. The easiest way, so that you don't confuse these things, the easiest way is to substitute those values. So you add up your right hand side first. Just write 180 is equals to 16 plus 30 plus C. Because when you transpose that side, you might make a mistake. You might make a mistake there. So you're gonna add these two. You're gonna say 30 plus 16. You're gonna get 46 plus C. Then you say 180. Then you're gonna then you can make C the subject to the formula. Then when you make C the subject to the formula, you're gonna say 180 minus 46. You're gonna say 180 minus 46. Then your C will be equals to 134 degrees. Understood? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, that's your rule number, I don't know, number 6. Then the next one, let's do the last one. Similar, is it similar right angle triangle? Yes, similar triangles. So this one, I know there's something like this on your exercise. We're gonna do something like this. We're gonna solve it. Hopefully we'll have time by then. Okay, so I'm not gonna draw. Okay, let me draw both. Let me draw the first one and explain it to you guys. Then you've got another one that is sitting like this. So they say this point is point D, then A, B, C, E, then your theta and theta here. So guys, they split this into two because these triangles, this is not a right angle triangle, guys. I just drew it like this. It's not a right angle triangle. There's no 90 degrees there. I just drew it like that. Let me try to make it skew. Then this is your, I'm gonna label them like this. So the inner one, it's your minor. Hey, the yellow is a different color. Orange, I think it will be visible. It's minor. So this is your minor right angle, your minor triangle, not right angle triangle. Then this one, the outer, it's your major. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna write them like this. This one it's your minor. Then the other one obviously it's your major. I'm gonna try to make it bigger. It's a major one. It's a major one. So this is what you're gonna do. Why am I drawing like this? This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna find the ratio of the two. So let's write those points. It's point A, and then B, and then C. This one is D, B, and then E. Okay. So this is what you're gonna do. This side, I'm gonna highlight it in yes.
I can't see your screen anymore. Can anybody else see your screen? No, I can't see his screen as well. Yes, your screen is gone.
It's no longer presenting.
No.
Okay, let me stop presenting and present again. For sure.
I can see the screen. Sorry. See the screen. Yeah, me too. I can see it.
For sure. It's because of the network. You see the problem is
to double tap on it.
yeah.
To be bigger.
Yeah, it has to be bigger. Sometimes even the network can affect the presentation because if you've got a network problem, there will be a delay or something. Because on my site it says it's still presenting. Is it fine now?
Nope, I still can't see it. I'm only seeing the names. Like your screen is gone completely.
And the other guys?
I can see. I can see the screen.
Guys.
It's gone, but I just had to find your name and double tap on it. Find his name and double tap on it.
But is it fine now? You know what happens? You have to pin my screen because if you leave it like that, it will show the names of the guys who joined. You have to pin my screen. You tap on my name, then it will display what I'm presenting. Yes, that's what we must
Okay,
do.
what's your name here? Because there's a lot of people talking.
It's Cogniatech, I think. Is it Cogniatech on your side?
Cognia. Okay. Okay.
Do you tap? Please tap there. Let's see.
I did, but I still can't see your presentation. I can only see your like a profile picture thingy. It's white and blue
Oh,
lines,
wait.
and it's a
There's
square.
two. There's two Cogniatechs, if I'm not mistaken. There is the one that is presenting, and then there's the one that joined. I,
Okay.
I don't know, guys. Please assist because I can't. I don't know what's happening on the other side. Please assist, guys. Hey, I don't know what's happening.
Presentation. Okay. Okay. I got it. Thank you.
Okay, sharp.
I can't see your screen. What must I do now? Go to the Cognia, go to the chat. You see there it says 17 others. You click there and then you go to the one that's saying Cognia presentation and then you click on it. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys.
Is it working now?
Yes, I can see now. Fine. I can see it.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's work. So as I was saying, for those who couldn't see the screen, I was saying this thing. It's on page 24. The similar triangles. So this is what you do. You must do this. You draw it like this. And then I split this into two. There's a minor and a major triangle. So the minor one is this one where I wrote this one, and then this one is major, the outer one. As you can see, the labeling as well. I sent the link on the group. Trifin, I sent the link there. There is your WhatsApp link there on the group. That's the link that I was talking about for WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, this is what you do. You split this into two.
I am back on the group.
No, kira the WhatsApp one, not the Telegram. I sent the link there. Please, please post it on the comment section. That's the group chat. Yeah, WhatsApp. Okay.
I'm not posting anything anymore.
No, you don't post it on the group. Post it here. Look, Bon. You post it here, Bon. Where you commented there. More. Where it says in call message.
A WhatsApp link.
Yes, that's why I said you must post it. Not Telegram.
It's fine. I found another way to join the group.
Okay. Okay, not a problem. Because I was gonna tell you what to do after this session. So guys, let's say this one they gave you. What did they give you there? Is it 4? 4 and 10, I think. Let me check. It's 4 and 10. And then this one is 6. And then someone is asking. Hey guys, please ask questions here. Please ask the questions here. Don't text me because otherwise it's gonna disturb the session. Please ask here. If you have got any question, please ask here, guys. The book that I'm using is this one. I don't know. Is it Kate? What? Someone asked which book am I using. It's Kate something something. That's the book that I'm using. The blue one. There's the one that has got a frog. There's two books, but then it's the same. So they say you must find this site right here. If they say find site site DE, find DE. You see you've got AB for your minor, and then And also you've got dB. This one is 4. This one is 10. Then you also have which one? You also have AC, which is 6. Then you don't have DE. Then they say find DE. This is what you're gonna do. You see that ratio? This one. This one. There's no need for you to memorize this thing. It's you divide your minor with your minor, and then your measure with your measure. It's easy to remember. Your measure with your measure, your minor with your minor. That ratio, I'm gonna give you something. It wasn't like this. This is how you do it. You'll remember it when you do it like this. So you're gonna say minor this side is equals to measure. So you take the ratio. So your minor, you're gonna say, even if you swap them, you're gonna say dB. Yes.
Sorry, I can't see the screen.
Okay. Someone please assist. Hey, and I don't know what to do.
Go to, you see where there's names on your screen?
Yes.
There's a number there. For me, it's 18 others.
Okay, yeah, I can see.
Click on it, and then go down through the list. You'll see his name is Cognia something technology, I think, and then in brackets presentation, and then click on it. It should appear on your screen.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Is it working?
No.
But do you see the name?
Yeah, I can see.
And when you click on it, what is appearing on your screen?
Nothing.
There's two of them. There's one that's muted. There's one that's not muted. Choose the one that's muted.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you.
Is it working now?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's work then. So I was saying, you're gonna say your dB. You're gonna say your dB over the one that you want, which is DE. Then you're gonna say equals to. So you see, oh, I divided the minor. Let me take the minor that side, the measure that side, sorry. So your minor, you're gonna say AB over AB over see now. Okay, so you're gonna say AB over the side. You see, you check those sides. AB is this side. Is this side. It must be equals to DB. So you're gonna say AB is equals to DB. You see there, that side is your it's your measure. Then you're gonna say divide by. On the minor side, you're gonna say the one that you are given, which is AC, is equals to what? Is equals to DE. Even if you swap them, guys, it's fine. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna have to make one the subject to the formula. Yeah. So since you're looking for DE, you're gonna say DE is equals to, you cross multiply there. You're gonna say DB over AB multiplied by AC. That's what you do. I hope everyone remember how to do the cross multiplication. I hope everyone still remember. Guys, the link for WhatsApp group chat, there it is on the message section. So you can click there if you want to join. So guys, that's how you do it. You make one the subject with the formula. You see, if you compare this one, it will be similar to the one there. But then I used the different method. I just wanted to show you that it will be the same. Nothing changes. Do you guys understand it? Yes, no? If you need...
Yes, I do.
Sure. I'm trying to add more papers there. Let's work then. Let's do the last one. Was this the last one? I think we are done. The cycle. Guys, the cycle. I don't think there's a cycle. But then if you want to know, if just for me to take you through this, a cycle, guys, if it's a cycle like this, a half of a cycle, it's a diameter. So a half is diameter. And then your formula for a cycle is pi r squared. That's the standard formula for cycle. That's our standard formula. So if let's say your radius, you know a radius is from here to here. It's from here to here. So that's your radius. That's how you find it. So that's what they do. Radius, this is your r. If you need to find the area of a circle, that's how you do it. Pi r squared. Guys, this, I don't think you can find a question for related to this thing. I don't know, but then I've never came across a question for cycle. It's not necessary to do a cycle. It's not necessary. Your area, there is your area. Guys, you still remember cycle. So guys, this once we've done them, where you have to solve for x. Is there anyone who's struggling with that? Anyone who's struggling? I don't think there's anyone who's struggling with that. So let's do this one. See this 1.8. We're gonna do P18 there. Let me try to get this. Sorry?
How are you?
Sharp, any?
I'm okay, man. Which book are you using?
The name. You see, the page numbers will be different. You're using the one that has got a frog in front.
Which one?
The one that has got a frog, or what is it? I don't know what's displayed.
Okay.
Is it the one that you're using?
Yeah, I just downloaded a couple of minutes ago.
Okay, the books will be different. The page numbers, I mean, but the books are the same. The difference will be the page numbers. We still have 1 hour, 21 minutes. Okay. The page number will be different, ne?
Okay.
Just try to look for something. Sorry?
Sorry?
It's chapter 1.
I was saying, okay.
Please
I
go.
was saying, like, this session is for every day or just tonight?
No, not every day, bro. It can't be every day. Every day it will be a problem. It can't be every day.
It's for every day.
No. I've got other sessions. Like for Maths 1, Maths 2, Maths 3, and also the private ones where you need, if you need extra sessions, then I can help you with that. Yeah, those other ones. Hey, it can't be every day, bro.
Okay. So for
how much do you charge for private sessions?
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. For the whole month, it's 250 for 4 sessions.
For interrupting your presentation, like I had to say,
if you need extra sessions, that's what I'm saying. Extra. Then yeah, then it will be 250.
Can I give you a question for us to do? when you're done with this one?
It's not a problem.
Okay.
So for maths 1 and 2, like you're gonna use the same link or different link?
No, it will be different link. It's different links.
Where can we get it?
Look, Bon, it's different links. Obviously, if I have to offer you a private session, I can't use the link, the same link that I used with the other guys. You see? So even for Maths 2 and Maths 1, Maths 3 and all those other maths, their free session, it will be once a month or something. Then I give them the link to join. I send it on the Maths group. So if you're on Maths 2, you go to Maths 2 group, or yeah, then I always send the links there. Even tomorrow it will be Maths 1, so I always send the links there.
Okay, I'll try to see.
Yeah.
So that amount of 250 for private is for every subject or it cover all?
For mechanics, yeah, for 4 sessions for the whole month. So it will be once every week.
No, I'm saying.
Yes.
No, I'm saying like the price.
Sorry?
Cover subject or one subject is 250 per subject.
If you want to split it into two, to have 2 sessions for maths, 2 sessions for mechanics, it's fine. But it has to be 4 sessions.
How many hours per session?
It's 2 hours. 1.5 to 2 hours.
We don't have to do the 2 hours in one day. We can split the 2 hours.
No, you can't do that. It's gonna be a problem. It's gonna complicate. What I'm saying is that if you want to, let's say you're doing maths 1 and maths 2, maths 1 and mechanics, you can take the other half for maths, the other half for mechanics. But if you want full 4 sessions for maths, for mechanics, for instance, it's fine. You can do that. It's up to you. As long as it will be 4 sessions for the whole month.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is it's 4 sessions, right? And then each session is 2 hours.
Yeah, 1.5 hour to 2 hours, yes.
So can I not now split the hours to make extra sessions? Like instead of 4 sessions, I split the hours.
You want more session, more.
No, like 1 hour a session. Obviously, then it's gonna double to 8 sessions.
Nah, you can't do that. Hey, with hours it will be a problem. Imagine if you do that. Imagine, bruh, like imagine you do 30 minutes today, then the next day you want your 1 hour. So, yeah, but then the problem is now it means now I have to do extra 30 minutes the next day. If when you decided to take out 30 minutes. Yeah, tell them maybe.
To interrupt you all. Can we continue and then at 8:30 when the session ends, you guys can ask all the questions?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Sharp. Let's push, guys. Hey, because this debate won't end. I see there's hours. Okay, give me that question that you're talking about.
It's R10.
Page number.
I don't know the page number.
I
I don't
Mara.
have the book with me. But
Yo.
it's R10. If you can just check this R10.
Hey,
Oh,
R10.
you can also stop at 29.
How
There's
Mara?
another one, 29. You passed 29.
This page date on my side. I know which one you're looking for. I know. You see, I passed it. You mean this one, 125?
R10 is in page 38.
You want this one? I know.
No, I want that one.
Aye. You see now. I saw this on the
I
group.
want 29. There's 129. And R10. But we can start with this one. It's fine.
You want me? I'm gonna guide you. I'm not gonna do it because I know it's on the assignment. I saw something like this on the group. You think I'm not on the group? I'm gonna guide you on this one.
And we are done with it. If we know the questions, it means we are done with it.
Oh, you passed, Mara. What if someone?
No, we didn't pass.
You see now.
That's why we're asking.
So this is your 25 degrees. And then this side they say the distance is 90, and then there's your B, and then there's your A, C, and then 25. But this one is easy. Then they said, what must you do here? But this is an non-right angle triangle, so they are looking for CB. Guys, it's easy. This is a non-right angle triangle. Look, this is what you're gonna do. If you watch that video that I sent on the group, it will be easier for you to know what's happening here. You see this? Yeah, you need to know the rule that you're gonna use. It's a cosine rule, this thing, because you only have. So the cosine rule formula, it says CB squared. Ish, guys, I'm not gonna write CB. You see this thing of CB and what? I'm gonna name this side my A, then B, C. So you see you've got opposite angle. So you can say A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2 BC multiplied by cos. You see cos the opposite angle. The opposite angle is 25. So you can put that 25 there. If you watch that video, guys, it will assist you. So remember that your A, it's your CB. Just remember that. So you're gonna say A squared is equals to, you put those values, then you say 25 squared plus 90 squared minus 2 times 25 times 90 cos 25. You just punch this on the calculator, you'll get your answer. Obviously, the answer that you get, you're gonna have to square it, because we don't want A squared. We don't want A squared, we want A. So you're gonna have to change this. So whatever answer that you get there, you're gonna have to square it. Do you guys understand it? That's your cosine rule there.
Yes.
Whatever answer is here, you're gonna square it. You punch this on the calculator. It's a straightforward question. Any other question?
No.
Someone was asking this other question. I don't know really go page map.
29, 129.
Is it page 29 or page 129?
It's problem number 129. This is 125. So
It's page 31.
This one?
Yeah. No. See, that one is 127. Go down.
Yeah, I'm on 129.
Yes.
No,
it's not this one.
How Mara, it's 129.
I say, okay. The thing is, I don't have the book with me. Let's go to R10 while I look for the other question. Let's go for R10. R10 is down there. I think there's a lady that gives us the page number. What's the page number for R10, my sister?
Page 38.
Page 38, sir.
Yeah,
no, sir, this is the question that I'm looking for.
Amar.
But you scrolled, it's fine, sir.
Where? Which question now?
Good, yes. That one. That is the one that I'm, it's 139.
You're looking for this one?
Yes.
It's no longer R10.
It's two of them that I'm looking for. I'm looking for this one in R10.
Let's hope it's not from the assignment. I don't know what's happening there, but then
it's done. It's finished. The assignment, the quiz. Fail is a fail, a pass is a pass.
I've been there. What if they gave you screenshots? Yes. I know, I've been there. I know. Okay, let me.
So I just want to understand how to get, how to calculate this.
Okay.
On the quiz, it's a multiple choice, so they don't really show you
the steps.
So, yeah.
Okay, let me try to draw that thing. So, here you've got a lot of things. Yeah, this one we're gonna solve it for the whole day. You have to split that thing. You have to split it. Then there's a distance here of 0.33. Then there's h, which is your height. And then you've got this. And then there, 20 meters. And then here you've got another one, which is 1.23 meters. Yeah, I think it's done like this. Let's try to work this thing out. So what are they saying? They are looking for determine the height. They want height. Okay. So they want this side. You see this side, it starts from, you see what one thing that I can tell you, let's make this side A. You see that side there? There's a right angle triangle, right? So you need to make that side A. Let me write something for you guys. H is equals to, it's gonna be the sum of the two. So it's gonna be your 0.333 plus A. You see that it's a total is the sum of A and this 0.33. That's your H. Do you understand that part? That's your total height.
Yes.
So it means that you have to find that that side there, the side where I wrote A. You need to find that A. And look at this, it's a right angle triangle. You only have got the angle that is opposite to that side. So you need to find this side. You need to find side B. Let me write side B. This one is C. Okay. This one is C. Let me write side C. You need to find side B there. Hey.
How?
It's easy. It's easy. Let's see what we are given. What else are we given? Okay. So there, you need to, you're given the total, that 20 there. You have to use that 20. Okay, let me see. This, you see this point here, 0.33. It ends there. Then you've got, it means you've got another line. From that 0.33, you've got another line because it ends there. Then you have to find this point here and also this point there. So I can write D and then E. You see this point, it controls you, this point 0.3333. It ends there. So meaning you've got this side and this side, they must be equal. If you find this side, then it's equals to this one. You see?
Why are they parallel?
They are parallel. Like it's a triangle. It's a working rectangle, man. You know that a triangle, like
Oh yes.
a rectangle, is like this. This opposite two sides.
sides.
Yeah. You don't see it. Hey.
Sometimes you must in a same way, with calculation.
Wabana. So if you find this side, it simply means that you're gonna find that one. So this one, it's easy for you to find it because you've got that R, which is 20, this side. You see it's a right angle triangle as well. So you've got this right angle triangle that is sitting like this. And I left my calculator at home. No way. Guys, it's bad.
I'll calculate for you, sir.
Okay. So you've got a right angle triangle down here, which is 20 meters here. Then you've got the total of 1.23. So you see that this 1.23 is equals to E plus D. Do you guys understand that part? Is the total. That 1.23 is the total of that whole thing, that side, the whole side. So you need to find E. So in order for you to find E, you need to know your D. So you can say, look at this. Your D, what is the answer for D? D is equals to 0.33. Does everyone, do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now subtract, find E. E is equals to 1.233.
1.2.
Or can I try in?
0.9.
Yeah.
0.9.
Okay. So
0.9.
So that side E is 0.9. So this side is 0.9. Guys, this should be the last one. So you know, if you found that side, you need to find this side here. Which is side? Let's say it's B because it's equals to that B there. So guys, you see there you have to use Pythagoras theorem for you to find that B. You see it's a right angle triangle. You are given two sides. Then in order for you to find the other side, you need to use Pythagoras theorem. So I'm gonna do this. B squared is equals to, okay, I'm not gonna say B squared. Normally the Pythagoras theorem, it says R squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So from what you are given, you're gonna have to add that E and, okay. So this whole thing, your R is 20, ne? So you're gonna have to subtract. So you're gonna make, I need to change the labeling. Let me write them as they are. So you have got side B, E. Okay. E and B. So you need to make the B the subject to the formula. So you're going to say B squared is equals to R squared minus E squared. Then your B squared will be equals, okay, let me not write B squared. I'm going to write B and then write the square root there. B is equals to square root of R squared minus, you're going to say 20 squared minus 0.9 squared. Then you find your B. What is your B? It's like 20 minus 1 and then you squared. 20 minus 1 okay.
19.98.
Yeah. 19.98.
19.98.
That's your B.
Yeah.
So you can go back to this equation and put B there. You see, you're going to use another Pythagoras theorem. So you know this side, it's 19.98. So you can find A.
Oh, so it's 20.
Yeah. So you can find A from there. It's easier.
Yeah, no. Say, I think from here, it's easy.
Yeah. Guys. Yeah.
Say,
No.
it was to get, you see, now you made me understand where we get the 20.
Yeah, no. There you have it.
The 19.98.
Now you have it. Guys, I have to leave you guys. At least we did something. Guys, let's hope my battery doesn't die. I'm sitting on 50, they say 50 minutes left.
I cut you to R10.
No, the time, pellets time up. When I want extra sessions, if you want more, if you want more session, then you have to talk to me. This is
But
just,
you were late.
but I gave you something. But it's better than nothing. Oh, what?
R10